In today's world, data-driven decisions are revolutionizing industries. From retail to healthcare, the ability to harness data effectively is transforming how businesses operate and compete. Recommendation systems are at the heart of this transformation. They help businesses predict customer preferences, optimize inventory, and enhance user experiences, making them indispensable tools in modern commerce. The Apriori algorithm is a key player in this landscape. It bridges the gap between theoretical data mining concepts and practical applications, enabling businesses to derive actionable insights from vast datasets. Market basket analysis (MBA) is a powerful tool that predicts sales behavior by analyzing item co-purchases. It goes beyond retail, finding applications in e-commerce, healthcare, and more. One of the most intriguing insights from MBA is the infamous diaper-beer correlation. Such surprising findings highlight the potential of data to reveal unexpected consumer patterns. Association rule mining is a technique that identifies if-then relationships within data. It helps businesses understand how different items are related based on transaction data. Key metrics like support, confidence, and lift are crucial in evaluating these relationships. They help businesses enhance customer experiences and boost sales by understanding buying patterns. The a priori algorithm is designed to efficiently find frequent item sets in large datasets. It operates on the principle that infrequent item sets lead to infrequent supersets. Its computational efficiency and scalability make it a preferred choice for businesses looking to leverage data for strategic decision-making. Once frequent item sets are identified, they can be transformed into actionable association rules. These rules help businesses optimize product recommendations and inventory management. Filtering rules using confidence and anti-monotonicity properties ensures that only the most relevant insights are considered, enhancing decision-making processes. In a practical application, the a priori algorithm can suggest product combinations for a farmer's market. By analyzing real-world data, businesses can identify potential product pairings. Visualizing top product recommendations using metrics like confidence and conviction provides a clear picture of the most promising combinations. Creating a client application using Gradio allows for real-time product suggestions. Decision-makers can leverage these systems to enhance customer satisfaction and drive sales. The adaptability of these systems across various industries underscores their value, making them essential tools for modern businesses. Data-driven approaches are reshaping industries, with the a priori algorithm serving as a foundational tool for building effective recommendation systems. The potential applications of these systems extend beyond retail, offering transformative possibilities in healthcare, education, and more. By embracing these technologies, businesses can unlock new opportunities, optimize operations, and deliver personalized experiences to their customers. In summary, the power of data-driven decisions lies in their ability to provide actionable insights, driving innovation and growth across sectors. Join us in exploring the future of recommendation systems and discover how they can revolutionize your industry. Embrace the power of data today.